Karmapa is studying to hold his first initiation into Buddhism. It is to be his first public teaching, and during his life there will be many, many more, in Tibet and all over the world.
This initiation emphasizes compassion for all sentient beings.
It is preceded by a purification ritual. The saffron water, which Karmapa has blessed, creates the connection between himself and everyone who is there.
Essential qualities of the Buddha are perfect knowledge of the past, present, and future, and the wisdom to see the true nature of all phenomena.
With the message that there are no qualities or wisdom without compassion.
Ray